Greetings to all of humanity. It's really a joy. It's always my pleasure to be out here connected with nature, bringing this message of emancipation to you, whereby I'm pointing you to look inwardly to discover that your real identity is your divinity. That is why I want to say to you that nap time is over, and please wipe your third eye away from the sleep or from the nap. In other words, I'm saying that it is time for you to have the right perception of self. And for you to have the right perception of self, you have to have the understanding of how you must activate your third eye so you'll be able to see things in a different way and from a different angle. Now, many of us know of the two physical eyes that we can see right here. And most of the time, that is as far as most people can see. And that is why some people cannot see beyond religion. But it takes the opening of your third eye, which is basically opening of your perception to see your God self and to be connected with your higher self, to go beyond religion. Now, if you believe that you're both physical and spiritual, and you can see your physical eyes, then there must be an eye that is not physical. There must be an eye that is spiritual. And I'm saying that eye is the eye of God, which is the eye of imagination. So when you close your eyes, you are to see through the eye of God, or through the eye of imagination, through your third eye. Now, as we all know, there are 7 chakras in the body. And these 7 chakras are like wheels, and they are energy centers. And so, when you activate your chakras and have them open, so too, your faculties, which is actually your mental faculties I'm speaking about, will be more open. And you start thinking things that you would have never thought about before. And you start seeing things in a different way. Like for example, when you start to expand your consciousness and your awareness, because you're doing things that will help to open up your third eye, you will ask yourself, how is it you wasn't seeing this thing before? Why is it you wasn't looking from that angle before? But it is because you were not ready. But now you're ready. So my brother, my sisters, getting enough sunlight each and every day is very important to help you to remove the sleep away from your third eye. Drinking water with all of the minerals, because it comes from the earth. So I'm speaking about spring water. Drinking that kind of water can help you also, because all of that can help to decalcify the pineal gland. Okay? And as we know, the third eye is right across here. Okay? And when you close your eyes in meditation or visualization, and you're looking forward towards seeing a vision or playing out a scene that you would like to experience in the physical world, you want to be able to see it in a clear and vivid way. And so being connected more with nature helps in that way. That's why my brother and my sister, I encourage you, take your shoes off, for where you're standing is holy ground. So whenever you're coming out into nature, it is good for you at times to take off your shoe and be connected, be grounded, because we are electrical and magnetic beings. Now, my brother and my sisters, one of the main things I would like for you to wake up to and wipe away all the sleep from your third eye so you'll be able to see is the damage of secular Christianity and how it's been dehumanizing the people who believe in secular Christianity to live at the level of the animals and not discovering that their real identity is their divinity. So, my brother, my sisters, as I bring this kind of message to you, I want to say to you, all I just want you to do is to exercise your mind. Because it's only until you exercise your mind that you'll be able to really walk in the way of wider perception and the opening of your third eye. Remember always to eat food that is more of the organic kind. So eat organic food. Drink pure water, I would have said. Get proper sunlight. And remember to do your research. Be of an open mind. Learn more about Kemet. Learn more about your ancestors. Learn more of the spirituality of your ancestors before slavery. So it is very good to know African spirituality and put it to work in your life. Because my brother, my sisters, the main thing I want to get to you is for you to discover for your own self by experience that your real identity is your divinity. So it's time to activate the true eye, the inner eye, the eye of God. So you would be in touch with the vibrational frequency that be able to contact that energy or intelligence of the ancestors, because they want to communicate that message of liberty, that message of freedom, that message of prosperity, that message of knowing your identity. They want to communicate that to you, but you have to come up higher and get rid of all the things that has been put before your third eye to keep you blind, and just wipe that slate clean away from that indoctrination and come to your higher self. So with that being said, my brother, my sisters, these are just a few words of encouragement that I'm bringing to encourage you, to strengthen you in these times, especially in this time that you have to face some economic challenges based on what is happening. I just want to remind you that money is energy and you are a mass of energy. And remember, everything is energy, vibration, and frequency. Please awake. Nap time is over. Wipe your third eye and see as a God. Live as a God and vibrate on the frequency of a God. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to say this is the very first time that you listen to me, and what I'm saying, it's really resonating with you, and you haven't subscribed already. I'm encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.